The HyperX QuadCast is popular for its features, including customizable RGB lighting and a mute LED. Many users want to turn these lights off for various reasons. This guide shows you how to disable both the mute LED and the RGB backlighting using HyperX's Ngenuity software. As of December 2025, no hardware modifications are needed. The HyperX QuadCast features two main lighting components. The red mute LED indicates when the microphone is muted. RGB backlighting illuminates the base and grille with customizable colors. These lights are controlled through the HyperX Ngenuity software, available for Windows, macOS, and Linux in beta. Make sure your software is up to date to version 5.3.0 as of December 2025. First, download and install the latest version of HyperX Ngenuity from the HyperX website. Connect your QuadCast microphone to your computer via USB. Once connected, open the Ngenuity software and ensure it detects your QuadCast device. Update the firmware, if prompted, to access the newest features and controls. In Ngenuity, select your QuadCast device from the list of connected peripherals. Navigate to the Mute or Settings tab. The exact name may vary depending on your software version. Look for the Mute Indicator LED option in this tab. Toggle this setting to Off to disable the red light when the microphone is muted. You can also customize the color or brightness from 0 to 100% if you prefer a less intrusive indicator. Next, go to the Lighting tab within Ngenuity. You'll see a drop-down menu with lighting presets. To completely disable the RGB lights, select Off from the preset options. Alternatively, you can set the brightness to 0% or choose a static color like black, 0 for a similar effect. This gives you full control over the RGB backlighting. After making your adjustments, click the Apply button to save and sync the changes to your QuadCast. The microphone will remember these settings even after you unplug it, thanks to its onboard memory. Verify that the lights are off or customized as desired. You may need to restart the software or your computer for the changes to fully take effect. While Ngenuity offers the most precise control, you can also cycle through lighting modes by pressing and holding the mute button for 3 seconds. This hardware method is less precise than using the software. Remember that community mods involving hardware changes exist but may void your warranty. Sticking to software methods is recommended for safety and reversibility. Current trends in QuadCast lighting emphasize eco-friendly features that reduce power consumption through low-power modes. HyperX focuses on user-centric designs with adaptive lighting that automatically adjusts to user needs. Looking ahead, future QuadCast updates may include AI-driven modes that adjust lights based on ambient noise or user activity. Expect integration with VR/AR ecosystems and gesture-controlled lighting options for more immersive experiences.